going to start this off by putting in approximately 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil. We're then going to put in our mince. I'm using muntjac mince. So the muntjac's had a couple of minutes, it's kind of half cooked, so we're going to now put in the finely diced onions. Give it a mix up. So this has had another sort of 3 to 4 minutes. I've just got this on medium heat, you don't need it too high. And so then we're going to go in with the carrots. Okay, so we've got our finely chopped carrots, finely chopped coriander. We're then going to go in with 3 garlic cloves. I like my garlic, so I'll put plenty in. If you don't like it quite so garlicky, obviously just put a little bit less in. Then I've got some smoked chorizo sausage here. I'll put that in. We're then going to go in with the finely diced potatoes. There's a little bit of water in here because I've rinsed them off, but you can put the water in. It will just evaporate. Mix it in. Okay, so I'm going to turn this down to a simmer now, just let it kind of do its own thing. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to just chop the top off these peppers and just take the insides out. Okay, so it's all emptied out and hollowed out. Also, you just want to check to make sure that they actually stand up straight. If they're a little bit wobbly, then what you can do is you can take a little bit off the bottom to make sure that they're straightened up. So this one's a little bit wonky, so what I'm going to do is I'm just going to try and make sure that they're all the same size. And that now will stand up straight, you see. When you cut the bottoms off, what we don't want is to go all the way through the bottom, because otherwise the inside will leak through. Okay, so then we're going to fill this up with meat and pat it down. Then some cream cheese on top, spread it around, and we're going to put some more meat. Okay, put some bacon slices, just drape them down the middle. So this is my stuffed bell pepper wrapped in smoky bacon with muntjac and lots of other good stuff inside. I've just put it on a bed of mushroom basmati, as you do, and that's the finished product. So I'm going to get into this now. So if you like this recipe, please don't forget to subscribe, hit that subscribe button, and visit my Facebook page, AHSAJGF and Just Good Food, and give it a like. And also don't forget to have a look at my homepage, there's lots more recipes on there for you to have a look at, and we'll see you again soon. Cheers!
Put the place up. Put my face up.